Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. So the Samsung Galaxy A72 and A52 are going to be two devices that are going to be launching in next month, and literally there are a few weeks remaining regarding the launch date of that particular device. All the spec sheet for the Galaxy A52, 5G and A72 has been surfaced online, and along with that we are getting these leaks and rumors has been certified by different certification authorities. So in my previous video I have talked about the Galaxy A52 and all the spec sheet, and if you haven't checked that, you can check out video. It's linked in the description and in the cards as well. So talking about the Galaxy A72, it's going to be the next iteration of the Galaxy A71. It's going to be one of the best devices in terms of mid-range category, and one of the most interesting thing that is going to be coming this year around is the 5G support and the refresh rate that is going to be holding. According to the leaks information, we are going to see similar design just like the A71. It's coming with a 32 megapixel of selfie camera, which is present at the top center of the device, and along with that it's coming with slim bezels on all sides of the device, and it has a 6.7 inch of AMOLED display. On top of that, we are also going to see in display fingerprint sensor underneath the display, and along with that we are also going to see IP67 dust and water resistance. With that being said, we are going to see 90 and 120 Hz of refresh rate on the two different models of the Galaxy A72, which is an amazing feature because those features are mostly present in the flagship level devices of Samsung. But having a mid-range device which is coming with such a high-end spec sheet on the front side, it's absolutely amazing. On the back we have a newer camera bump. It's kind of different than the last year, and in that we are going to see a quad camera setup which is probably different than the Galaxy A52. It's going to be coming with a 64 megapixel of a main camera sensor with 2x telephoto lens with an 8 megapixel of a sensor plus an upgraded 12 megapixel of ultra wide, and probably there is going to be a 5 megapixel of a macro or depth sensing camera. With that being said, we are also going to see the flashlight present on the same camera bump, and the back of the device is obviously going to be made up of plastic since it's a mid-range category device. Internally we are interestingly see two different processors for two different markets. Like the 4G Galaxy A72 is expected to be coming with Snapdragon 720G processor, whereas the 5G variant is coming with the 750G processor inside. So guys, I am not very much impressed about these two processor choices from Samsung, because I honestly was expecting either the Exynos 1080 or Snapdragon 870, one of the latest mid-range category processor which has been released in past few weeks. So I honestly was expecting those two processor in the Galaxy A72 and A52 devices. And you're moving on towards the RAM and storage capacity. We have 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, and 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. And along with that, we are also going to see a micro SD card support inside the device. Battery wise, the Galaxy A72 is going to be coming with a 5000 milliamp of a battery capacity, which is obviously on the cards because it is coming with a 5G support inside, and a 90 and 120 Hz of refresh rate will require such kind of a high power performance. It is expected that we might see a 25 watt of fast charging support inside the box, and there has not any been confirmation regarding the charger which is going to be present inside the A52 or A72, and probably we see the launch to be happen in the middle or at the end of the month. So guys, overall I think that the Galaxy A72 is looking great in terms of spec sheet. It is coming with a great specification which we have seen in the flagship level devices, so this is going to be amazing. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and thanks for watching. Peace.